Ndeo kekeme. Ahambi Joma. Ele wataragen kuzi Igbo. Okay? Ahambi Joma. And I bring you Igbo lessons. Okay? So today I want to talk about the 5 steps that you can take to become a confident Igbo speaker. Okay? I'm going to be talking about the 5 steps you can take to become a confident Igbo speaker. And this is the 5 steps that I use in the boot camp to get my clients to become confident Igbo speakers. Okay? Right. Okay. So let's roll. Number 1 step is to get you to number 1 step is to get you to look in words, okay, and find out why you're learning Igbo, because that is very important. Okay, so some of my clients are learning Igbo because their husbands speak fluently and they want to be able to speak, okay, and they have little children that they want to teach and they don't want the language to die with them. Okay, maybe some of them have nobody else around them that speaks Igbo, it's just them. Maybe they speak a little and they want to speak better, and they believe that if they don't learn it, the future generation won't learn it because nobody will pass it on to their children. Okay, so why are you learning Igbo? Just put your own reason there. So that is a very, very crucial thing to know, so that you can always look at it and motivate yourself and remind yourself, and you keep going, because there will be days when you don't want to learn Igbo. Okay, number 2 step that we will take you through in the boot camp will be to get you clear on your goals. So when you've established why you're learning Igbo, then you need to outline your goals. Okay, all right, we have an 8-week Igbo speakers boot camp, so you have to make your goals realistic for those 8 weeks. Okay, you can choose 8 topics. You want to learn these 8 topics. Week 1, that topic. Week 2, sports. Week 3, politics. You want to be able to discuss this in Igbo. Okay, so you can then outline those goals for the boot camp. So that is the 2nd step that you need to take to become a confident Igbo speaker. Outline your goals weekly, and when you've outlined it weekly, it will be easier then to break it down to daily. So if you know this week you're learning how to discuss about politics, then each day you can then break it down, okay, and then discuss about maybe the presidents and the governors and other parts, other things that is going on, the current news. Okay, all right, that's number 2. Number 3 step we would normally take you in the bootcamp is then actually acting on those goals. So those conversation topics that you've made, we then actually start discussing them in Igbo. I would normally write out the script, okay, and when you come onto the live session, we would then be speaking in Igbo. I speak my bit, I speak your bit. Okay, I would usually give us names. Okay, so like Amijoma and your name. So I'll speak, you speak. Okay, and note that the Igbo camp is a group program. There's 6 people in a group. Okay, so then there will be communication. You'll be speaking Igbo with each other. Okay, and that's just what we speak. The only time we mention English when we meet is when there is something that needs clarifying. Otherwise, we just speak Igbo. Okay, because that's the name. It's Igbo Speakers Bootcamp. Okay, so that is the 3rd step. Okay, and if you're just joining us now, I'm taking you through the 5 steps that I would normally take my clients through in the bootcamp to get them to become confident Igbo speakers. The number 1 step is to get clear on your why. Okay, just write it down why you're learning Igbo. Number 2, get clear on your goals. Make weekly goals, can be each topic per week. Okay, you get clear on your goals. Number 3 is then actually do those goals, actually learn those topics, speak about them in Igbo, which we do when we get live. And then I also normally encourage you to do it when you go home. Not when you go home, when you're not in our live sessions. Okay, so you do that outside of our live sessions. And what is the step number 4? Step number 4 is then to reflect on what you've learned. Okay, so every month in the bootcamp, because it's 8 weeks, at the end of each 4 weeks, you reflect on what you have learned so far, and you figure out what is your best learning method. Is it the videos? Is it the audios? Is it the written material? Okay, and you double down on your strengths on the places that you know you're learning very well. Okay, that's the reflection part of it. And this is also when you take your assessments to see how far you've come, and we can rejoice with you. Okay, and if you do not know, the bootcamp is open. Okay, the bootcamp is officially open for enrollment, and this is the final bootcamp of the year. So if you've been waiting to join this bootcamp, if you're already on the wait list, you will already have received your email. Okay, if you're not, then there's a link below for you to go and find out more and find out how you can join us in the bootcamp. Okay, this is the last bootcamp for 2019. So if you're ready to speak Igbo in 2019, you still got time. You still got 3 months. Okay, actually more than 3 months, because this is still September. You got 3.5 months, okay, to speak Igbo in 2019. So take action now. Do not postpone it. Okay, when 2020 comes, it will fly past, just like 2019 has done. Before you know it, 2020 has gone. Okay, so let's talk about the number 5 step that I will normally take my clients in the bootcamp. The number 5 step would be then to make a plan of how they'll continue learning, because I know 8 weeks is not usually enough to learn everything, unless you were maybe an intermediate speaker and just needed some brushing up. Okay, otherwise most of my clients need some follow-up. Okay, and I provide that follow-up if you're a member of the bootcamp, especially if you register early. Okay, I usually provide a means where I will meet with you still after the bootcamp to get you speaking Igbo so that you don't forget. Okay, and even when our meeting ends, I would usually make a plan together with yourself of how you will continue to learn and to speak Igbo. Okay, and you can always contact me via email. All right, so that is number 5 step. I'll go through those steps again. Number 1 is to get clear on your why. Write down why you're learning Igbo. Okay, number 2, write down your goals, your weekly goals, your daily goals. Okay, and this is something that will help you with. You would normally send me these goals and we can modify it together. Okay, number 3 is actually getting in and speaking, which we do a lot during our live sessions, and then you also do it in your homework and when you are not there in the meeting. Okay, number 4, you reflect on what you've done so far. What is your best learning method? Is it video? Is it audio? Is it written? And also you do your assessments. Okay, and number 5 is then you make a plan how to keep on learning Igbo after the bootcamp, because there is life after bootcamp. Okay, it doesn't all end in 8 weeks. Okay, you don't just stop speaking after 8 weeks. You have to keep on speaking. That's the aim anyway for my clients. The aim is to keep on speaking with your family, keep on speaking with people around you, and then when you visit Nigeria. So the aim is to keep on speaking so you don't stop after the bootcamp, and I help you make a plan of how you are going to do that. Okay, so if you haven't joined the bootcamp yet, you've still got time. Okay, so use the link below. Okay, and put in your name and your email, and I will send you the information that you need to join us on the bootcamp. Inugo, okay, Kodi, I'm going to bootcamp. Kodi.